we're back. You want to tell them what we're doing today? What are we doing? Park. We're at the pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin.
You're gonna get your own pumpkin. We're gonna get one, okay?
Pumpkin. So you get a pumpkin.
Yeah, let's go.
No pumpkin.
Say, come with us. We're going. Let's go. We're here. I want to get popcorn. I saw someone holding this big bag of popcorn. You want popcorns, Bella? Okay, hold my hand. Let's go.
Oh, look at that.
You get my pumpkins.
You want pumpkin?
Look! Hi!
Hi.
Say bye! He's so sleepy.
That's creepy.
Not happy because you're here. No!
Chicken. Like it.
It's sunny. Do you want to ride the tractor? Isabella?
You want a chicken?
Yeah? Okay, let's go. Ooh, let's get a pumpkin for Isabella. Huh?
To bring the pumpkin. See?
Where?
Bring pumpkin. Bring pumpkin.
You want pumpkin?
Dance! Dance! Let her go. Isabella! Dance! Isabella! She's having fun. Look over there. Say bye to them. Look here. Look at the pumpkins. Look at all the pumpkins.
Wow! Look at that.
Look at the pumpkins. Say bye.
Look at that, look. She likes it.
Look at that!
Whoa, it's so bumpy.
There's a drop.
Ah!
Watch out.
Oh, what's that?
It's a scarecrow.
Circle, what's that? Dada?
Look, say hi to them.
Mama.
Hi! Hey, look at this bed. It's like a bed. What's that?
Whoa.
Whoa. What?
Say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Say hi.
Hi, everyone.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's so bumpy.
Puppy.
Yeah, the ride.
Right.
So
Puppy.
bumpy.
It's so bumpy.
Let me hold it.
Hi.
We're on a bee ride.
Be right.
Tell them.
Be right. Bye.
Which one do you want? You have to pick out your own pumpkin. Oh. Get a pumpkin.
Get one, get one.
Huh? This one?
This one.
Wow, that's a perfect looking pumpkin. Look at this one. Come here. Can you hold it?
Okay.
Hold the bottom.
Okay.
Hold it like this. This one is nice. See, look.
Isabella, this one's nice, see? Isabella, look at this.
That's a big one. You want a big one? Huh?
You can go get a big one. Put it down, put it down. You can go get a big one.
Isabella, you want this one?
Okay?
Huh?
Come on.
Hold this. Richard. Hold this. Baba. Oh, you want to go to the bus? Isabella, come here. No, not there. Come
Here, this way.
There you go.
Huh? You're stuck? Why don't you go around? Go around. Go get a pumpkin to take home. Go get one. Not there. Don't go there. Gusto niya yung ride.
One, two, three.
Oh man, I got a tattoo. Okay, you get a.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, you get a candy, Isabella.
We have more. Can we do more?
Yeah,
Isabella, come here.
Isabella.
Come here.
Isabella over there. Ikaw na.
One, two, three. Get a pumpkin.
Free spin. Laksan mo kasi. Yes.
Okay, pumpkin.
Can we get a pumpkin? Isabella, let's go get.
Let's go get the pumpkin.
Which one do you want? Ito? Ito. Which one?
Get that one.
This one?
That one's nice.
This?
Isabella, stay here.
This one?
Yeah.
There, you got a pumpkin, Isabella. No, put it back.
Okay. Let's go.
Thank you.
Are you ready, bro? Let's do it.
Look at her hand.
Awesome. This is a good one. I love it. I'm gonna roll your shirt okay? A little bit. And this is gonna be a little wet, okay? Are you okay with that? Yeah? Okay. It's cold and a little wet, but I'll be here. We'll come. You wanna come with me? Can you count?
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Of course, we have to get the popcorn. Right? I think that's it for today. Say bye to them. Say bye. Are you tired? Oh no, she's eating plastic. Say bye to them. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's go now.